Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to make this banana ice cream that I've never made, and we're going to figure it out together. Starting with these two pretty ripe bananas on the outside. On the inside, they're actually fine. They weren't that mushy. So we just got two of them hanging out in the bowl. Gonna mush, make them up. I'm going to turn this into a caramel. So I'm going to make it a nice mush. I'm going to let the sugars in it caramelize. It's going to go in this tiny little cute pot with this cute little spatula. I'm going to give it a little mix, a little pinch of salt. And in the bowl, we're going to go 5 yolks, whisk them up, nice and even, 100 grams of sugar, 210 grams of 35% cream, 210 grams of whole milk. I'm going to mix all that up, set it aside. Oh yeah, I got some focaccia too, so we're folding that dough. Focaccia's on the side. I'm going to show you. Put that in the double bag. So we're back to the bananas. Banana caramel's going. We got some rum. Mix. Oh yeah, I got these pineapples that I was fermenting, and we're going to dehydrate them. It's pretty cool. So we're going to pull them out. This is just like a nice spice blend on top. Been sitting for about 9 days. Going to go on this dehydrating rack. And I got these cantaloupes too. I forgot about these. So we're going to pull these out. Same thing. These were spiced with some Sichuan peppercorn, among some other things. So we're going to pull those out, dehydrate those. Oh yeah, I got these fucking sweet potatoes too. These are a cheap way to make dog treats if you have a dehydrator. These go for about $20 a bag, and I'm doing it for about $1.80. A little tidy up here. Oh, and can't forget, got to make these breakfast wraps. Got to meal prep a little bit here. So Renee's dressing, because I didn't have mayo in the fridge. So we're going to spread that out. We're going to do a little Emmental cheese, some scrambled eggs, a little nice and even here. And then once we got a little bit on everybody, we're going to go sweet potato. Little sweet potato on everybody, chilling. It's not like me to do it, not all the same. So that one in the top right corner there, kind of weird. There we go, fixed. Some black beans that I had on hand. And a little bit of cooked bacon. So we're going to make sure all these are even so I can get a nice calorie count going. Trying to put on some weight. Got a little extra, give it to the wife. And roll in. So like I said, this video is about showing you how to make this banana ice cream that I've never made before. So while that banana caramel is going on the stove there, looking for something nice, deep, some rich flavors. And this is what it looks like now. It's getting that kind of banana bready looking texture to it. So we're going to make a caramel. I'll speed it up because the sugars aren't going the way I want. Pinch of salt, just coating the bottom of the pan with sugar. We're going to take half of this out so I don't caramel all of it. We're going to put half of it into the actual ice cream mix itself and the rest in the caramel. That was me showing you, you want it nice even bit. So I turned the flame down to even it. We've got some rum going in, a little bit of cream to give it a nice kind of almost a dolce caramel type texture. Got this nice beautiful caramel. And while we're at it, I mean, it's the evening. I got to make myself dinner. So chopping up some peppers. We're going to do some chicken wraps. Peppers, tomato. What else we got here? Tomato. My knife's not actually that sharp, so when this is at regular speed, that didn't look that good. A little bit. Renee's, again, didn't have mayo. Although I wouldn't use mayo in just salad. Not that it's far off. It's Caesar dressing. So these are some chicken breasts I had in the fridge. We're going to chop those up. It was a long day, so whatever we have on hand. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the breakfast wraps. We're going to make those nice and even. Gonna make sure everybody gets the same little bit of chicken here. Pow. So as I say, this video is about showing you how to make this banana ice cream I've never made. And we're going to get back to that in a sec. But for now, we're just going to watch these wraps get made. And this is me struggling to get the wrap to not unfold on itself on the plate. So skewered it. Done. Deal. This is me trying to get the camera to focus on that. Didn't work. So here we are. Back to the ice cream. So we've got that cooled banana blend in there. 1 clove. Mix that all up nice and even. And this is a neat method of doing this. We're going to put it in a plastic bag. And we're going to vac pack it. We're going to sous vide it for 2 hours. Put it in the fridge overnight. This is it out of the fridge next day. This is this evening, Thursday. That's the ice cream machine that it's going to go in. We're going to open it, pour it in the ice cream machine, and let that run for about 20 minutes until it turns into ice cream like this. We're going to get all of those nice little bits out so we don't waste any of it. Clean up as you go, always. Get everything in this nice bowl. The amateur mistake I made here was this was a room temp bowl, not a bowl from the freezer. So there's little bits that are starting to melt on the bottom of the bowl. Not melt, but... And then there's that beautiful banana caramel that we got. So we're going to fold some of that in, closer to that dolce flavor we were looking for. And it's not often I make something that surprises me with how tasty it is. It's usually tasty, but this one made me go, oh, fuck, that's good. So it's pretty good. Nana bread, that's how we make it. Oh yeah, and how we made these and these and these.